falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be attempting to upcycle my mom's shirts. She gave me the approval to destroy her clothes and turn it to my clothes. So yeah, let me show you the clothes that we'll be destroying today.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby won't you tell me do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
So basically what's going to happen now is I have to cut this one to make it straight and then hem it again. Then I'll make the ruffles. Oh no, I crooked the line. Oh no. This is bad, guys. This is bad. And now we're officially done with the first sewing. Oops. Wait. So I actually ditched the idea of making a ruffle. Oh. Camera kept on moving. So in the end, I ditched the idea of making a ruffle because I realized that the cloth that I have won't be sufficient for the blouse if I would make a ruffle. So I decided to turn it into a belt instead. So I'll show you how it looks like. So here's the result. So basically what I did is that I cropped it and then I made like a belt to cinch my waist. So here is how it looks like with a belt. Kind of cinch in my waist. So I think it kind of looks like a 90s vibe. I'm not really sure, but ta-da!
Is this what it means to have growing pains? Never come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure.
So now we move on to the second clothes. So for this one, I'm going to create a square neckline. And since the length is a bit long, I'm also going to crop it, but I'll be taking this one and then sew it back once I finished cropping it. So yeah, I feel like this is going to be easy because I did a square neck before, so let's go.
Growing pains never come out the way you went in the same. Just as diamonds shine from pressure, babe. You don't know true love until your heart breaks. Darling, I see your face, it shows me what you've been going through, you're lonely.
Okay, so now I'm currently hemming the neckline of this blouse. So I ironed it so that I can fold it. So yes. Oh no, I need to change the thread, or maybe this would work with this. Do you think? Let's see, maybe it would work because I don't want to change the threads. We actually started already and I'm now tired. My eyes is tired. You're probably wondering why I'm wearing glasses. It's because it makes me look smart.
But actually,
But look, there's magic. Oh, there's no land. Oh, I'm hungry. So currently, my mom is fixing the
magluto ka
sewing machine. It's because if I'll show you the clip on what's happening. So my mom fixed it, so big applause to my mom! Welcome to the vlog! Welcome to the vlog! Welcome to the vlog! Show yourself! Show yourself! Bippity boppity boom! No, I don't believe in magics. No.
Ano yun?
H&M! Okay, let's continue. That's a short advertisement. Okay, go. So I just finished hemming the neckline and this is how it looks like now. There are still some threads because I haven't cut them yet, but yeah. I'm going to be attaching this one to the bottom of the shirt, I mean the blouse. Because it hasn't been hemmed yet. My eyes is slowly dying. I want to try it. I'll try it on first. The only problem is these color. But ooh, I could do it like this. What do you think? But wow. Ta-da! So this is the result of the second cloth. So I really like how it turned out. This was the hardest one to do, but it's worth it. So what I did is I created a square neckline, and then I also cropped the blouse, but I reattached this one, the garter, the bottom, so that I could, it has a cinched waist. Yeah, so that is how it looks like. I'm very satisfied with it. And yeah, let's move on to the third cloth. For the third cloth, I'll be creating a dress, and as you can see from the clips earlier, I used a what do you call that? I used a pattern in order for me to come up with a shape. So, and then I pinned it and then added some marks. So what I'm going to do now is I'll be sewing the marks that I marked earlier. So yeah, I hope this turns out good. Anyways, so here's the result of the third cloth that I flipped. So it's actually a dress, but it turned out a little bit short because the polo isn't that long. But if I wear it with maybe a short, it would look really cute. But this is how it looks like right now. I paired it with a belt so that it will look a bit cute. But yeah, all in all, this is how it looks. I'm just very happy that I finally finished it. Pew!
Is this what it means to have growing pains? Never come out the